folks, and welcome to this demonstration of my Phosphor DH-01, which is a e-ink digital watch, as you can possibly tell from the high contrast and the fact you can view the screen from any angle without it going faint. So I believe this watch is from 2009. That's the oldest article I could find about it online, was a 2009 article, and that sounds about right. I think the other Seiko e-ink watches were about the same period. So yeah, as I say, it's an e-ink watch, which is the same technology as used in the Kindles. It's got a 33mm wide case, and it's 12mm deep at its highest point there, but the rest of the case is quite thin, and it curves nicely, including the display itself and the mineral glass. And it's got a stainless steel case and 50 meters of water resistance. So yeah, function-wise though, it's pretty basic. So you've got a time display, a date and an alarm, but you do have two different time displays. So this is the sort of segment hours and then digital minutes, but also it's got two buttons there. Well, this is the sort of mode button. That's the date display, a little date indicator saying it's the 30th of January, which is patently wrong. Then you've got the alarm. So it's a little alarm symbol set for defaulting to midday, and then you're back to the digital, full digital display, so digital hours and digital minutes, and then back to back to the alarm mode. It does have a mind of its own as to which mode it's going into. There we go. Then it's got another button over here, which in most cases inverts the display. So you've got two sort of time displays. You've got the sector one and you've got the fully digital one. But then you can have both of them, either positive or negative. So you sort of four choices of looks of the watch. But I think I prefer the positive sector one. I think that goes most nicely with the watch. So that's it. There's not a lot else to mention. This button here does also help when you're doing the setting functions. You have to hold this button in to get into setting mode, and then use this to increment the values. But it does have a little bit of a mind of its own, I must admit. I think this button is not quite, the contacts might need a bit of a clean. So it takes a CR2025 lithium battery, and due to the fact that the nature of these e-ink displays, they only use power when they're changing. When they're displaying and not changing, they don't use any power. Well, obviously the quartz movement is using power. So yeah, it should last a good long time. And then just on there you've got the phosphor bit script on there. Very difficult to see on this particular version. There's a plain stainless steel one as well, and you've got the thing on the back and the battery hatch, and this leather strap with an orange side on it, which is quite funky. So anyway, yes, the Phosphor DH-01. I hope you enjoyed this one. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.